Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. Today, this is a speaking class to practice speaking using what we learned in earlier lessons about transportation and how questions through 3 exercises.
Great. I am ready to speak slowly and clearly.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with good rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and confidently. Finally, describe the picture helps you look, think, and say simple sentences about an image.
That sounds simple and useful.
Yes, let us begin with shadowing, so listen carefully and repeat after me. Shadowing. In shadowing, you listen and repeat right after the voice, trying to copy the rhythm.
I will listen first and repeat after it.
Perfect. Short phrases are enough, so let's start now. I take the bus. She rides a bike. He goes by train. We are in a taxi. The car is red. How are you today? How do you go to school? How does he go to work? How many bikes do you see? How much is the ticket? The subway is fast. The boat is small. A plane is in the sky. The truck is big. My scooter is blue. How far is the station? They wait for the bus. I like this motorcycle. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now, read aloud means reading the text in a clear voice, and Nexo will read first.
I am ready to read it.
After Nexo, viewers should pause the video and read aloud slowly.
Every morning, I go to school by bus. My friend Mia rides her bike and Leo takes the subway. At the station, we ask, "How long is the trip?" It is short, about 10 minutes. After class, we see a taxi and a big truck near the park.
Great job, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you. I tried to read clearly.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, viewer. Now in Describe the picture, describe what you see in the image and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I can try first with short sentences.
Good. Nexo will try first, and after that, it will be the viewer's turn.
In the picture, a busy city station is near a small river. I see a red bus, a yellow taxi, and a blue car on the street. A girl has a bike, and a boy rides a scooter. How many people are waiting? Behind them, there is a train, and a subway sign is on the wall. A truck is next to the road, and a motorcycle is beside it. In the sky, there is a plane and a helicopter. A small boat is on the river.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image in your own way, using the words shown.
Short and simple is okay, right?
Exactly. Do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. For example, bus, I see a bus, and taxi, the taxi is yellow. Now you pause and speak, and little by little, you will do better.